If you're about to renovate your bathroom, deciding on a vanity, basin and mixer can be completely overwhelming. If you have the space, make sure you get one with lots of storage. I'm here to show you a variety of combinations to help make your choice a little easier. First, I need to get all of these out of their boxes. Right, now they're out of the box, you can really see how much of a choice there is. I'm going to run through a few different combinations for you. We're going to use this 900ml vanity unit as our base and then work from there. With this combination, I've gone with a vanity top, which is plastic, and a classic chrome mixer. The great thing about this chrome mixer is it matches the handles on the front of the vanity. So this is a cheaper option to really update your vanity. I'm a real big fan of these timber bench tops. You can get them cut down to any size at Bunnings. What we've got here is a warmer option and then a more coastal look. For the next combination I'm putting together, I'm going to use this coastal look. There's a variety of basin styles that you can choose to sit on your vanity top. From square white glossy ones like this, or something a little more rectangular like this one. This oval design is another option and is a little smaller, so might be better for you. You don't have to keep your basin in the middle either. You can move it to either side to create more bench space. Or you can decide on a sleek round basin like this. And the tapware choice is endless. With a benchtop basin like this, you'll need to go with a large mixer. You can go with white, this one's my favourite with rose gold details, black, a classic chrome, or a gold finish which gives more of a farmhousey feel. If you decide to go for a basin like this, which requires a small mixer, there's a large range of options to choose from still. Here I've got a black mixer with rose gold finishings, which looks awesome against the coastal benchtop. Next, I have a rose gold mixer, which gives a really modern, sleek look. If you decide to go for a different colour like rose gold or black, you can always change the handles on your vanity to a different colour to match them, or spray them for a cheap option. And here I have the classic chrome mixer, which is a cheaper option but still gives a really timeless look. A basin like this is perfect for a powder room, and pushing it to the side of the bench gives you a whole lot of bench space to utilise. You can go for a mixer like this, gold with white accents, which really brings a sense of elegance to the style. Or something like this, a matte black mixer for a more modern, sleek look. If black basins are a little more up your alley or suit the style of your home or bathroom better, they're a great option to use. Here I've paired it with a slightly darker timber to give my bathroom a real contemporary feel. From round basins like this that you can put in the middle or to the side, or maybe a square one like this would suit your space better. Or a marble one like this for something a little different. With black basins, you can pick any mixer style. There are no wrong options and combinations to choose when picking vanities, vanity tops and mixers for your bathroom. There are so many combinations and choices, and Bunnings has them all.